Hey, it's me, Toni-Lee. Thank you so much for being you and for being here. I'm so excited to share this weekend with you. My brother is on his way in from Virginia. He flew in just the same flight that I recently just took. Hopefully we can soon convince my other brother to do something like it. He's more of a train type of person, but fingers crossed. Go to the airport, pick him up, and we're gonna have a great weekend. It's his birthday. I believe he's turning 32, 33. I literally don't know. I'm gonna have to ask him. Which is kind of embarrassing. I know he was born in 92. So he's turning 32. Because if it's 24. So yeah, he's turning 32. Exciting times. So yeah, we're gonna go pick him up and have a great weekend.
Like in the mornings, maybe.
With the pork. Good old Port Noodle House for dinner. Mwah. So good, one of our go-tos. It is amazing. Love it. I got the V1. AJ got some pho and Griffin got lo mein. Pho. You got the lo mein though, right? It was so good. Love it there. We truly do love it. We got back now and we are spending some time with baby. Who's in there? Who's in there?
It's like ripping.
We have had an amazing morning, enjoying just being together in the snow. It's really snowing and we are now going to go venture out and check out the snow, maybe walk around at the fort a little bit. We prepared, we got our shoes ready. We're gonna be putting scarves, beanies, layering up. But it looks like a fun time. We are heading out to the fort in a snowstorm.
Was this one too?
Get up there, we'll be there. Don't you think? It'll like block us the way the wind's going. we got some Amatos for lunch.
Zero weight limit, heavy weight, I think you're
We just woke up from some naps. No. How many scoops do you put in? Later, maybe we'll go bowling. It's just a yucky day.
Why you not feed me that? Why you not feed me that? Me hungry.
Good morning. Our power is out. So this is fun. I don't think I've ever had to experience this so far, living in Maine, which is actually really funny. But yeah, here we are. And it's 5:30 now. Still no power. Don't know when it will be on. What the fuck do we do about coffee? Yeah, we're gonna try and figure out some coffee. Probably light a bunch of candles so that we can see at least until it gets turned back on. The ice does look really bad, so I could see how it took out some power lines and stuff. The mission is to find coffee. It's AJ's freaking birthday today. So we have a fun day planned. Hopefully the weather and this power work out. Thankfully, I always forget about these lights I have, that they're battery operated. So that really worked out. The Forerunner has a little outlet in the back, so if you turn it on, it can actually have like a corded thing, which is pretty cool in situations like this, at least. When we're like, we need coffee, we call it the Starbucks, the Dunkin', everything, and all of their phones just went to voice. I think everybody around here has no power. It's crazy. This is, yeah, like I said, the first time we've ever lost power. It's just very wet and icy. Like the power lines look like they're holding hundreds of pounds of weight. I've never seen them dip so low. Our little itinerary, I don't know if it will still go as planned, but we had hopes to go to Q Street Diner and have breakfast, but they may not be open. And that may be the case for our breakfast situation. So thankfully, Julia brought us some French toast yesterday and bagels and croissants, and we have eggs and potatoes. And if we get power, we could probably have our own breakfast here. Maybe go somewhere for brunch. We wanted to go bowling yesterday, but things started closing down early because it started getting messy, like icy. And so we just ordered a taco trio and stayed in, which was so nice. Griffin and my brother have been playing chess, so we're going ham on the chess, which is very fun. And watching wrestling. We watched the wrestling finals, the NCAA finals yesterday. It was crazy. They had 6 guys from Penn State, which is the most ever. They did not make a new history record. One of the guys lost, but it's still just insane. We may go bowling today. Maybe we'll do that as like a brunch thing. For dinner tonight, I'm really excited. We're going to Into Tail, which is like you grill, you do barbecue on the grill. I'm so excited. The waves actually look incredible for the whole rest of the week. And so we may also go to the beach. Surf. Could be fun. We're just having a great time. I'm so happy. We're going to try, Griffin just ran out to try and heat some water up in the Forerunner. And then we're gonna try and make coffee right here. I wasn't a little worried. Griffin's been outside for a hot minute. Can't really hear the Forerunner anymore, but yeah, he didn't take his phone. I've been looking though on the outage map, and it seems that Portland, like the peninsula, has power. So maybe we could go over there and get some coffee and then come back. We've got coffee. It's lukewarm.
I'm chugging it. I'm not letting it get a degree colder.
No, not a degree. I wonder, do you think that they've been working all night? Doesn't seem like it. I'm kidding.
Yeah, I reckon.
I hope. Maybe they're just starting. There are probably a lot of places that are worse off than Portland right now, so. Here. Cheers. It's Ice City out here, but thankfully Rosemond's open. Hell yeah. Excited. We're gonna get some coffee and get any other treat that you want, AJ, because it's your birthday.
I am a treat.
Yeah,
I
true.
was the treat.
I am the treat.
I'm the one that got this shit started.
The reason it looks like this is because of you.
I showed up, dude. Here.
Show us.
Let me pull this out here. What's the day? March 24th.
That's the birthday. That's the inspiration.
That's the view I've looked at for fucking how long now? I don't know how many months. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. I've literally had that as my background forever, and then I look outside.
And you're like, I'm in that. Just be careful.
It's hot. When I first got it.
Yeah, stay on your side, honey. I know. You're the biggest hypocrite about it.
Look at the line.
Everybody's getting gas. AJ, what the fuck did you cause? Don't get me.
I did this.
Well, we came this way and we noticed the cookie jar was open, so now is where we shall be heading. Oh. We made it downtown. The spot we're gonna try and get in at Lenora. Wow. Yay! Yeah, it's
Here's a good one.
Okay, this is how I'm gonna have to shower because we still don't have power. So we've got candlelit shower. We did go to Lenora for brunch and it was so amazing. Now I just need to take a shower because I haven't taken one in the past like 2 days. Which is okay, but I need a shower. I need a shower now. And I didn't know this was gonna happen. So shower when you can. Ooh, that was a good one. Yay!
See?
What happened?
This little cubby right here, though.
Ripping colors. That's a proper, like, I don't know what this I was reading, but it's really deep out there, so it's like it just is like deep to this. It was a roll.
Sounds like cake. Yes, we're going to have great drinking. Happy birthday! So fun. You're so lucky to get turning 32 and 24. You just have less to talk about, no? So fun. Put on an onion. Yeah, put it on. Thank you. Good stuff. And Aaron. Awesome. Some what? Damn. That's something. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. David Allen Joseph Giger. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday.
Hell yeah. Appreciate you.
Yay! Good stuff.
Hell yeah, guys. Let's dig into this motherfucker right here.
Yeah, so
Let's
it's
get it.
peanut butter frosting and chocolate cake.
Oh my god.
We get that. All day. Yeah. We just kind of heated up the leftovers and made some pizza rolls. AJ had a piece of cake. Get some Slim Jim things.
Is this a good double earth tone?
Oh my god, yeah, I actually really like
Should
it.
I wear my JJFs with it too?
Wait, actually, you should go show AJ that because we were talking earlier about how we liked the two-tone. AJ, come look at this.
Like a big one. Probably filmed
Just so bad.
How it started.
You don't get any barbecue places.
I'm so
Like, man, I want to film.
that was it, man. I feel
Sad day in the neighborhood. Gotta leave. He's gotta leave today. AJ's gotta leave. I don't know why. Maybe his flight will get canceled and he'll have to stay. We're gonna go to Lenora though, have some lunch, and then, along with this guy, cry our way to the airport.